Kothimbir Vadi is one of the famous Maharashtrian tea time snack. I remember the first time I had this in Pune and I completely fell for it. It was sweet, it was savory, crispy and loads of coriander. So let's make Kothimbir Vadi. First we'll prepare the dough. For this we'll take some chopped coriander leaves in a bowl and to this we'll add gram flour, rice flour, hing, turmeric powder, green chilli paste, red chilli powder, some garam masala, some whole cumin seeds, some white sesame seeds, a bit of sugar powder, salt and some lemon juice. Now mix everything well by gently mashing it until the coriander leaf starts leaving the moisture. Then add water little by little and make it into a firm dough. Make sure you do not add water all at once, otherwise it can become soggy. Lastly, grease the dough with some oil and let it rest for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll take an aluminium tin like this and we'll grease it with some oil. Now place the dough in the tin and spread evenly. Now top it off with some white sesame seeds and gently press it. Here I have the steamer ready with some boiling water underneath. Now we'll place this tin and cover it and let it steam for 10 minutes on a high flame. After 10 minutes, open the lid. Now here you can see the surface has hardened a little bit. This is what we are looking for. If you want, you can do the knife piercing test. If the knife comes out clean, then it is cooked. Now take this out and let it cool. Then release the edges with the help of knife and flip it to demold it. Now we'll cut this into desired shape and then we'll shallow fry it. Now for the shallow frying, heat some oil in a pan and place all the Kothimbir Vadi and cook till it becomes golden brown on both the sides. It will take about 2 minutes on each side to cook. If you want, you can also deep fry them. Once it is done, take it out and serve it with some green chutney or tomato ketchup, or you can have it as it is with some chai. I hope you like this recipe and give it a try. And if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed to it yet, please do subscribe and share.